In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing touchpad option in Windows settings. Before taking your laptop to a repair service to replace the hardware, try this simple software fix. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon and open Device Manager. Expand the keyboard category and look for any device with a yellow warning icon. If you find one, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select I2CHID device and click Next. As you can see, the device with the warning icon is gone, and the touchpad should now work as expected. The touchpad option should also appear in Windows settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.